New OpenClaw upgrades are insane. So OpenClaw just dropped a bunch of new upgrades and they are insane. I'm talking brand new AI models, agents that spawn other agents, 1 million token context windows, and a ton more. This is not a small update. This might be the biggest week in AI agent history. And I'm going to break down every single thing you need to know right now. So let's get into it. So first off, what even is OpenClaw? Because if you don't know, you need to. OpenClaw is an open agent platform. Think of it like this. You have AI agents. Those agents talk to tools. They talk to models. They talk to other platforms, Telegram, Discord, Slack, even your iPhone. And now those agents can create other agents on the fly in real time. This is not a chatbot. This is AI infrastructure. This is like an operating system for AI agents. And what they just dropped this week makes it 10 times more powerful. I am not joking. Let's start with the biggest one. OpenClaw just released support for Sonnet 4.6. Now, if you don't know what that means, let me make it simple. Sonnet 4.6 is a massive reasoning upgrade. Your agents think better, they plan better, they handle long, complex workflows without falling apart. Before this, agents would kind of lose the plot halfway through a big task. Now they stay on track, they make cleaner decisions, and that matters a lot when you're running agents that do real work for you every single day. But here's where it gets wild. They also dropped a 1 million token context window in beta. Let me say that again, 1 million tokens. That means your agent can hold an entire code base in its head, an entire research paper, an entire month of conversation history, no more choking, no more losing context halfway through, no more hacking things together to make it work. Your agent now remembers everything. That alone changes the game, but they didn't stop there, not even close. Now you can spawn sub-agents from chat. So picture this, you have one main agent, it gets a big task. Instead of trying to do everything itself, it creates other agents, little worker agents. Each one handles a piece of the job. Then they report back. This is a real manager to worker model. This is what people tried to do with AutoGPT years ago, except now it actually works. And it works inside a real platform with real stability behind it. Okay, so let me keep going because there is so much more. They added an iOS share extension. So now you can take text, links, files, anything on your phone and share it directly to OpenClaw right from your iPhone. That means you can capture something in the real world, send it to your agent, and your agent starts working on it. Mobile first agent workflows. That is huge for anyone who wants AI working for them while they're on the go. Next up, Slack native streaming. Your agent now replies in Slack token by token live. It looks and feels like a real person typing. No more waiting for a big wall of text to appear. It streams in real time. If you run a team and you use Slack, this changes how your agents interact with your people. It feels natural, it feels human, and it's fast. And for Telegram users, they added styled inline buttons. So now your Telegram bot doesn't just spit out text. It has real buttons. Real UI, it looks like an app inside the chat. This is a big deal because it means you can build actual app-like experiences right inside Telegram. No separate app needed, no website needed, just a clean, interactive bot that looks professional. Now, before I keep going, if you want to learn how to actually use tools like OpenClaw to automate your business and scale with AI, you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to learn how to save time and automate your workflows with AI agent platforms like OpenClaw. You get step-by-step processes, real use cases, and a community of people who are actually building with this stuff. Link is in the description. Go check it out. All right. So that was the February 17th update, but OpenClaw also dropped a big update on February 15th. And this one is all about UX and stability. First, Telegram message streaming. Your replies now appear live in Telegram. No waiting, no delay. The words just flow in. That alone makes your bots feel 10 times faster, even if the actual speed is the same. Perceived speed matters a lot. Then they added Discord Components v2, buttons, select menus, modals, full interactive agents inside Discord. So if you run a Discord community, your agent can now have a real interface. People click buttons, they pick from menus, they fill out forms, all inside Discord. That is a massive upgrade from just text replies. And here's the one that blew my mind. Nested sub-agents, agents creating agents creating agents. Like layers, a top-level agent makes a plan, it creates mid-level agents. Those agents create their own worker agents, and they all coordinate together. Hierarchical planning, complex workflows, no spaghetti logic. This is how you build real AI systems that do real things. They also did a major security hardening pass, attack surface reduced, safer handling across the board, and on top of that, over 40 bug fixes. That might not sound exciting, but when your agents run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Stability is everything. Those 40 fixes mean your agents crash less, they fail less, they just work. Now let's talk about the February 13th update. This is what I call the reliability era. They added Hugging Face support. That means you can plug in open source models, any model you want, no vendor lock-in. You control everything. If you want to run a local model or a specific open source model, you can now do that inside OpenClaw. And this next one is so important. Messages now survive crashes. They built a write ahead queue, so if your agent crashes in the middle of a task, the messages don't disappear. They're saved. The agent picks back up where it left off, 0 lost tasks. Think about that. Your agent can crash and still finish the job. That is enterprise grade durability. That is production ready. They also added Discord voice messages. Your agent can now hear you, voice-based workflows inside Discord. And the agent gets a custom presence, so it actually looks alive in the server. On top of that, threading that actually works. Clean conversations, parallel tasks running at the same time, no context getting mixed up. And they added support for GPT 5.3 Codex Spark, fast coding agents, IDE level reasoning. If you do any kind of development or automation, this is a big deal. Your coding agents just got way smarter and way faster. Last one, the February 12th update, they added GLM5 and Minimax M2.5, 2 new high performance models, strong reasoning, so you get great performance. They also added IRC support. Yeah, IRC, old school. But if you have legacy infrastructure that still runs on IRC, you can now plug AI agents right into it. That is rare and that is powerful. And another 40 plus security fixes on top of everything else. 2 major security passes in 1 week. That shows you this is not a toy. This is a mature, serious platform that is ready for production. So let me bring it all together. In 1 single week, OpenClaw added new models, 1 million token context, sub-agents that spawn sub-agents, live streaming on Slack and Telegram and Discord, real UI inside chat apps, mobile workflows on iOS, crash recovery, voice support, open source model support, and over 80 security and bug fixes. That is not an update. That is OpenClaw growing up. That is OpenClaw going from a cool agent framework to a full AI operating system.